So, hi YouTube family, and I'm doing another pick a card for the month of August. Um, since we all have so much time during lockdown, I thought it would be a good time to involve the fairies. Um, I just completed my elemental healing practitioner course, and I feel so happy about it. Happy to share this wisdom. So, now you can take a breath and decide which crystal you want to work with. This is the rhodonite, this is iolite, and malachite. So, which crystal is calling you? Which card is pile is calling you? At the end of this video, we're also going to do an interesting bag pull. I have some chits here with some messages. So, we're going to pull for each of these extended card versions, okay? So, go ahead and take a minute and decide which pile is for you, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and unlock pile one so that we see what the angels and the ascension energies are saying for you. So this particular card, okay, so the crystal is rhodonite, and let's see what the messages are. So messages for you are be you for you, okay? Interesting affirmation here that you don't have to be yourself for anybody else. So be you for you, okay? And never ending story. So something in your life is like a cycle. It's not ending. It just continues. This could be a relationship for some of you. I'm also seeing it's also related to work or your self-confidence, okay? And what's my big hurry? It's all for joy, all is well. Okay, it's an affirmation. And the an extended version of this is what's the big hurry? You're not even going to get it done. So what are you racing towards? Every single activity that you're involved in is for one purpose only, and that is to give you a moment of joy. Lighten up, laugh more, appreciate, and all is well. So basically, this card is light-hearted cards for people who chose this uh, card related to love. And the message from the bag for you is I want to take a second. It says improve your diet. Okay, guys, so probably some of you who are watching this are not eating healthy. You may be resorting to a lot of junk food during lockdown, or just not eating the right kind of food. Your diet is compromised, okay? So you are being asked to look at your diet and see exactly where it is that you can improve your diet, where can you improve your well-being, okay? So thanks for watching. If you're leaving the video right now, follow me on Tarot with Love on Instagram, okay? Let's go to pile number 2, and crystal is iolite. Cards for you are live your truth, okay? So it's a very strong, powerful message that says that you may have been living someone else's life, and it's time to actually shine your light and see what you love to do, and most importantly live that, okay? Milk and honey means this is a good time in your life. It's a good phase. Things are going well for you, and you're being urged to listen to your higher voice, your inner voice, and keep going in that direction. So keep fueling your own fire, okay? I'm selfish enough to want to feel good, okay? Now, Abraham Hicks, who I follow and who I'm always associated with, always talks about feeling good. So I know the world is not conducive at the moment to feel good, but still you can find something to feel good about, okay? Um, so I'm selfish enough to want to feel good, okay? And feeling good indicates your connection to clarity, wellness, and abundance in all good things. Feeling good is your most natural core belief, okay? So I want you to read that again. Stop and pause the video if you must. And iolite is a crystal for connection, it's a crystal for improving your creativity. So see today how you can improve your creativity, okay? Now I'm going to shake the bag a little bit and pick a message from the bag. What is the message from the bag? Okay, take a walk in nature, okay? So myself, I've been feeling deprived of taking a walk in nature. So the message here is to take a walk in nature. A walk in the park will help you. Walking near a tree in an open space is where your soul is actually being called at the moment. So I'm going to do short collective reading right after this video for this group of people who watches this. Whether you're watching, if you watch this after 1 month also, the energies will still speak to you in some way. For people who chose pack 3, it is malachite crystal, okay? And malachite is related to your heart chakra. And it says, own your story, okay? Own your story. So be someone who knows what they want in life, who owns their story, so that you're not manipulated by others into believing what they believe, into their sets of beliefs, into their values, when those values are not yours, okay? So learn to know what is mine and what is the other person's, and always stands very firmly in that, okay? The vibrations of my being influence the universe. So one person with a high vibration can influence a lot of other people, okay? Everything vibrates and is communicating, reacting, responding, and integrating with our vibrating things. Once you begin to offer your vibrations of purpose, on purpose, now you are in absolute control of your experience. So if anybody listens to Abraham Hicks, he talks about how you improve your vibration, and by one person improving their vibration, a lot of people can improve theirs, okay? So building blocks. So something about your energy tells me that you are in the process of building something. This could be building a relationship, this could be building a career, this could be building trust, integrity, patience, so many things, okay? So see what it is that you're building. What is your building block right now? And go step by step. There's no rush, there's no hurry, there's no, race to anywhere. And amazing for the resonance of this, it says, let go of people pleasing. Okay, I've suffered from people pleasing all my life. Okay, people pleasing is nothing but wanting to make others happy, either by doing enough for them when they don't even do anything for you. It's for going that extra mile for people when they're always closing doors on you. It's pushing past, and helping when you are not reciprocated even 1% by people. So this is what I call people pleasing, okay? It takes a lot of effort to let go of people pleasing. You are enough in this world and you don't need to please people, specifically if you've been someone who's always been giving and never been on the receiving end of anything, okay? So they do say that really good people often get stuck in these kind of situations. These could be family situations, or there could be situations like these with your friends, acquaintances. So be careful of people who come to stab you, or are just, in that situation where they are wanting you to do for them and don't do anything for you in return. Great. So now we're going to, I hope that made some sense. I'm going to just do a pull for the first week of August for people watching this. If you haven't watched, liked, and subscribed, shared to my channel, please do so. It is always going to have a lot of uplifting messages, and I'm sure that they would make sense to you even if you watch them months later. That's the beauty of the cosmos, okay? Now I'm going to just quickly do a card shuffle for the group, and see which messages are coming through for the collective energies in this group, or what do your guides and angels and ascended masters want to say, okay? So I've divided the pile, and what I'm going to do quickly is spread this here and check what is it, the collective message coming through. Okay, it's the Nine of Wands reversed, okay? This is a time of great change. What I'm seeing is it's the Nine of Wands and it's in the reverse position. So this time is for change. This time is for heralding lack of burdens. Put your burdens down, okay? The world has slowed down and so should you, okay? And how will the first week of August be for all of us in the collective? It says the Queen of Swords, okay? So keep looking at your true north, okay? See where you're going and move your boat and steer it in the direction where you bring peace and joy to yourself and others, okay? Important to keep yourself grounded because these ascension energies in the planet right now could bring up a lot of stress for some people, with rising cases and also no certainty, lack of clarity. These are the kind of themes that are running in the universe right now. But if you plug into that, you could drive yourself very stressed. Okay, so I do urge you to pick a hobby, do something that makes you feel calm and peaceful. As always, I'm sending you so much love, and do join my Instagram channels. Do like, subscribe, and share this video. I will be sharing more through August, but this pick a card for August, because Leo and Sun energy is coming back a little this month. I am feeling a forward energy, and I wish you also well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.